Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I will show you how you can use Apollo filters effectively and find your ideal clients. I already show you how you can use Apollo and work with me. You can, if you want to see that video, I will put in the cards so you can go through it. But right now, I will show you how you can use filters effectively and find your ideal clients. Let's get it. So let me um, wait a minute. There you go. So this is Apollo's onboarding page, homepage. When you click search, you have bunch of filters here. So I will start with location and I will type United States for this example. And let's have a look job titles. As you can see, you can pick, you can choose job titles, but instead of using job titles, I highly recommend you to use management level because you can't predict uh, your prospect's title. Some of them they're using president, some of them they're using CEO, owner, co-owner. You don't know actually what they type on their profile. So I highly recommend you to use management level. So for this example, I will go with owner, founder, G Suite, partner, VP level, head, and director. I don't want to go through manager or senior level, so I will leave it like that. And once you finish your location and job title, so I will come down and find industry. So for this example, my targeted audience is in construction industry. And as you can see, you can use advanced settings and company keywords, and even you can pick social media description, SEO description, and all that stuff. So for this example, I will go through restoration and roofing. So let's have a look. So this guy is doing restoration roofing business, and Dan is director of business development, and Gregory is director, especially they're in the same company, and there's no question. I mean, there's no problem about it because maybe I want to reach both of them. So for me, it's not a problem. And when I finish my search, I don't need anything else like job title, location, industry, and keyword. Don't work without keywords, guys. Keyword is really important. As you can see, when I type construction, there are a lot of different businesses. But when you go specific keywords, you can reach out your target audience really easily. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions on the comment section below, or you can connect with me on LinkedIn. So I will wrap up for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. If you like this content is valuable, peace out.